Dan Gable with Shore Murphy and Associates of Casey, and this is another episode of Big Agent in a Small Town. First, if you need any help with commercial insurance or have any questions, always feel free to reach out to me by phone or text at 217-932-2267 or by email to dan@shoremurphykz.com. You may have seen as a business owner, or potentially if you're on the news or if you're on LinkedIn, we're in what's considered a hard market for insurance. And as a business owner, you have better things to do than to get wrapped up into insurance jargon. But I kind of want to explain what a hard market is and how it affects you as a business owner, and what you can do to navigate that as successfully as possible. So the first thing in a hard market that you're going to see as a business owner is you are going to see rate increases on your business insurance. And depending on geography, where you live, state laws, things like that, different lines of insurance may be affected more than others. In Illinois, where we're seeing rates hitting the most are auto insurance, especially commercial auto with heavy vehicles, and property insurance also. And what's driving the hard market and leading to those rate increases, when you're talking about commercial auto, especially larger vehicles, if you have accidents where there's bodily injury caused, rising medical costs, rising court verdicts, jury verdicts, things like that. Also, the increased cost to repair vehicles, longer rental car times because repairs are taking longer, and on the commercial property insurance side, due to the increased costs in building materials and labor, those expenses are really driving up those claims costs. And overall with commercial insurance, the increased cost of what's called reinsurance, which reinsurance is basically the insurance that insurance companies buy, where if claims hit over a certain level, the reinsurance company comes in and helps out the insurance companies. And due to so many storms and natural disasters nationally and across the world, that has driven up reinsurance costs a lot as well too. So the first part you're going to see as a business owner is those insurance costs. The next thing is that potentially it's harder to get insurance or to keep your current insurance coverage. And so, some examples of this might be, let's say that you're a construction contractor and you have a big project coming up and you're required to carry a high umbrella limit, like a $5, $10, $15 million umbrella. Those kind of coverages are in this hard market, more and more companies are stepping away from. So it may be harder to find that kind of coverage. Also, if you things like older buildings or buildings not updated, that's going to be more of a challenge. And then also, if you work in a more challenging industry insurance-wise, so if you would be doing things like demolition, working with heavy equipment, different things like that, insurance companies may be shying away from that more as well too. And also, if you've had claims issues in the past, that might not have been as big a deal. In this hard market, it definitely is. So then the last question is, what are the things that you as a business owner can do to make this hard insurance market as less painful as possible? The main thing I would say is work with an experienced, knowledgeable, independent insurance agent. They're going to be able to help you navigate through it, whether there are things you can do in your business to help prevent losses that they're going to make your account more attractive to an insurance company. They're going to have relationships with multiple insurance companies. He's to be able to find the right fit for you if there's an issue with your current carrier. So it's really important to have that trusted advisor to walk you through this time of the hard market. If there's something I can help you with anything with this hard market, please reach out by phone or text at 217-932-2267 or by email to Dan, D-A-N, at Shore Murphy Casey, SHOREMURPHYCASEY.com. Thank you.